Beauty enthusiasts know that the mascara brush can make or break your look. Chanel, the iconic French fashion brand, has introduced La Révolution Volume mascara with a groundbreaking 3D printed brush. Chanel Perfumes Beauté has partnered with 3D printing experts at Pro 3D to create an industrial-scale 3D printed mascara brush. This innovation has been in the making for years, dating back to Chanel's 2001 vision and a 2007 patent. Introducing La Révolution Volume, with a brush made using selective laser sintering technology. This brush's granular texture enhances formula adhesion, a unique bristle grid design prevents clumping, and micro-cavities ensure precision. 3D printing saves time and costs by eliminating the need for costly injection molds, allowing for endless design possibilities. Chanel and Pro 3D Factory join forces to create a production line capable of crafting 50,000 brushes in just 24 hours. As Pascal Merchignac-Deveau, Director of Packaging Innovation at Chanel Perfumes Beauté, says, "Together, we have taken up many technological challenges to push the boundaries of 3D printing and offer a revolutionary product." The success of La Révolution Volume will pave the way for more brands to explore the wonders of industrial 3D printing. Hit that subscribe button to see more products of the future with 3D printing.